Nike will attempt another moonshot on June 28. Motivated by the ambitious goal of breaking the 2-hour marathon time, known as Breaking 2, the Swoosh has now again focused its efforts on breaking another record, the 4-minute mile. With the goal of becoming the first woman in history to record a mile in less than 4 minutes, Faith Kipyegon will take on the Breaking 4 challenge. Prior to this significant occasion, Nike will release a limited edition Faith Kipyegon-inspired running capsule. This quartet of pavement pounders, distinguished by an eye-catching color scheme that consists of Burgundy Crush, Oxygen Purple, Fuchsia Dream Flash Crimson, and Electric Algae, is the brand's best running performance product and is without a question the most fashionable available. An official release date is currently anticipated for June 20, 2025, which is 8 days prior to Kipyegon and Nike's Breaking 4 tour.